Number 1. A rate of 6% is compounded quarterly. A rate of 6% is compounded quarterly. Quarterly. What would be the nominal rate? At this condition. Okay? So you'll see, a rate of 6% is compounded quarterly. What would be the nominal rate at this condition? So meaning to say, the given is W to be equal to 6%. You're looking for J. J. Your J is ano? But what is the condition of J? It is compounded quarterly. So meaning to say, your M will be equal to 4. Okay? As simple as that. You just substitute from the derived formula. Here the derived. 1 plus 0.06 equal to 1 plus J, the unknown, over N, which is 4. Okay? And also equal to what? Equal to 4. Okay? So that is the, you will have now 1.06 equal to 1 plus J over 4 raised to 4. In mathematics, when you want to eliminate exponent or radicals, you just multiply the reciprocal. So, ito maging square, r raised to the 4th, and this one, diba? Anong gagawin natin? What will you do? 1/4. So, cancel, no? 1/4, 1/4. This will also be as 1/4. So, you let now, if you go further, you just arrange, no? You just arrange. 1 plus J over 4 raised to, no more, 1. Okay? Equal to, you let 1.06 raised to what? 1/4. 1/4. Okay? So what will be your J? Okay? Simplify further, you left J over 4 will be equal to transfer 1. 1.06 raised to 1/4 minus 1. Or J will be equal to 4 times 1.06 raised to 1/4 minus 1 times 100, so that it will be a percent. So J now is, what is that in percent? Okay, what is the answer? What is the answer? Okay, what is the answer? Huh? Okay, what is the answer, class? Okay, the answer is what? What's the answer? 5.87. That is your J. Okay? You don't want to derive anymore. Okay? Okay? So, there's no need to derive.